Looking for the best Cosori air fryer but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best Cosori air fryer based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The Air Fryer 2.1 QT is a great option for those who want a compact and easy-to-use air fryer. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, roast, bake, and grill, making it perfect for simple meals and snacks. The non-stick and dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning a breeze, and the in-app recipes provide endless inspiration. If you're someone who values ease of use and convenience, this air fryer is a great choice. I've been impressed with its performance, and the compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Overall, it's a great value for anyone looking to get started with air frying. Number 4. The Pro Gen 2 air fryer is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, offering stable performance and a sleek new design. Its 13 one-touch functions make it easy to navigate, and the inclusion of 100 paper and 1,100 online recipes gives you endless options. The detachable square basket is dishwasher safe, making cleaning a snap. If you're someone who values convenience and ease of use, this air fryer is a great choice. I've been impressed with its ability to deliver consistent results, and the compact design makes it perfect for smaller kitchens. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking game. Number 3. The Air Fryer Pro is a compact option that packs a punch. Its ceramic coating is non-stick, making food release a breeze, and the 7 presets make it easy to get started. The ability to preheat and keep warm is also a nice touch. If you're someone who likes to cook simple meals or snacks, this air fryer is perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. I've been impressed with its performance, and the in-app recipes provide endless inspiration. Overall, it's a great choice for those who want a hassle-free cooking experience. Number 2. The iconic stainless steel 6.5 QT Smart Air Fryer is another high-end option worth considering. Its ceramic coating is not only durable but also PFAS-free, giving you peace of mind when cooking with it. The maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures consistent cooking results every time. If you're a chef or an avid home cook, this air fryer is designed with you in mind. The recipes included are chef-crafted, and the dishwasher-safe basket makes cleaning a breeze. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who value performance and ease of use. Number 1. Alright, let's talk about the 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Its standout feature is the 90 to 450 degree Fahrenheit temperature range, giving you precise control over your cooking. If you're someone who likes experimenting with different recipes, this air fryer is a great fit. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, freeze, proof, reheat, or keep food warm, making it an incredibly versatile kitchen tool. I've been impressed with its performance, and I think it's a great investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking capabilities. Overall, it delivers consistent results and is easy to use. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.